And then I think the severity of the decision that you made to say, hey, we need to be separated, really triggered him to say, I got to do better. I got to be better. So for the service member or the spouse, it's going to require you guys really stepping out in a space where you probably aren't comfortable with, but you're essentially saying, I love you. I want to rebuild what we have. It's going to look very different, but I need you to walk alongside me to do it.
Right. Yeah. And
You get
honestly,
27 years together. I mean, that's nothing to
a
sneeze at.
long time.
No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. And that was like my breaking point. Like that was my last ditch effort. Like I felt like when I had asked him to leave, like that was it for me. I was like, I don't know what else I can do.